That is hail pummeling central Virginia today.
People caught off guard by the fast-moving storms dumping ice throughout the afternoon. Thanks for joining us for 8 News at 11. So glad to have you with us tonight. I'm Eric Phillips.
I'm Deanna Albritton. 8 News reporter Ben Dennis was caught out in that storm this afternoon. Ben, the hail left behind quite a mess for some.
Yeah, Eric and Deanna, good evening. This icy mess had covered many roads, blanketed some in Chesterfield County. The Lothian Turnpike next to me was certainly not spared. And roads were also a problem just west of us. Right before rush hour traffic, some people were ducking for cover, running indoors, but as one woman told me, it was unlike anything she's ever seen. A wave of severe weather walloping central Virginia.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
A hailstorm brought pellets of ice as big as a quarter into people's backyards and plummeting onto their cars.
All of a sudden there was this whoosh.
Phyllis Potes couldn't believe her eyes while looking out her back door this afternoon in Chesterfield.
A flood of water and then just hail. And I've lived here 67 years. I don't remember ever seeing this kind of hail. I just shoveled it around, I guess about 10 shovels full.
Ice invaded this backyard pool in Waynesboro, appearing to fall like meteorites. Hail ran off this home's roof like a waterfall. During the storm, a downed tree blocked traffic heading off the Poway Parkway onto Courthouse Road. Crews cut it up to allow drivers to pass through. Hull Street Road became a virtual river headed toward 288. Some drivers hydroplaned, and traffic lights flickered on and off. Umbrellas almost worthless in the downpour. Now, it's not known if any injuries were associated with any of the severe weather from this afternoon, but if you had any damage to your car, your house, or even more, of course, send those over to our newsroom. We want to take a look and hear from you. In Chesterfield, Ben Dennis, 8 News.